Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ahmed. My ID is 003 and my department is BS Chemistry. My name is Muhammad Ahmed. My ID is 003 and my department is BS Chemistry. And uh, today I'm here to present my presentation and my as assignment. And today I'm here to present my presentation as assignment as a presentation and topic is Gatterman co-reaction. So first of all, we'll see the introduction of which the Gatterman co-reaction is a chemical reaction in which aromatic compounds are formulated by a mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous Al3. This reaction is known as co-reaction. So let's define it. A synthesis of an aldehyde from an aromatic hydrocarbon, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen chloride in the presence of catalyst anhydrous aluminum chloride. Again we read it. A synthesis of an aldehyde from an aromatic hydrocarbon, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen chloride in the presence of catalyst anhydrous aluminum chloride. Now we talk about the Gattermann co-reaction. Names after the German chemist Ludwig Gattermann and the Julius Arnold Koch. It is discovered in 1897. In 1897. Now, if we talk about this formulation, the substituents of former group this that is aldehyde group into aromatic ring known as formulation. Gattermann formulation. Formal chloride is unstable, hence the reaction takes place under a high pressure with the mixture of carbon monoxide, hydrogen chloride in the presence of catalyst AlCl3, and when it formed product is benzyl aldehyde as formed in the Gattermann reaction. Now let's see its mechanism. In the Gattermann reaction, benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in acidic medium in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to give benzaldehyde in the reaction. In this reaction, anhydrous aluminum chloride work, works as a catalyst. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. In the it consists of first two steps. In the first step, formation of electrophilic formylcation. In this step, the carbon there is a pi bond in between the carbon monoxide. The carbon carries a negative charge, and oxygen carries a positive charge. In this reaction, this negative the carbon attack on the hydrogen, and we attack on the hydrogen, and we will get these structure, these two resonating structures. In this, the oxygen carries a positive charge, and and it is highly stable due to this moving electron pi bonds, and we will get these structures. And here in this steps the chloride when carbon attack on the hydrogen and chlorine deposits at the leaving groups. And in this here the chlorine attack on the carbon, chlorine carries a negative charge and carbon carries a positive charge. And in this step the chlorine attack on the carbon. Here the and we get formal cation, formal chloride. So we cannot use it directly used to produce the benzaldehyde because it is highly unstable, and we generated it by the reaction of carbon monoxide with HCl. So we will further explain it in this second step, electrophilic aromatic substitution. These AlCl3 is a Lewis acid catalyst is, has a loose orbitals, and the Lone pairs on this chlorine will attack and it will accept the lone pairs from this chlorine and we will form the structure and produce the AlCl4 minus and where the chlorine gets positive charge and a catalyst gets the negative charge and the bond between this bond between the chlorine will break and we will get these two structures formal cation in which these pi electrons react these pi electrons oxygen is highly stable due to these moving electrons as we talk about it it's a formed formal cation and in this reaction benzaldehyde where the pi and sigma electrons are present both are present are weakly are loosely held and it attacks on the carbon and it attacks on the carbon atom where the oxygen carries a positive charge and then we will get these structures by the, attacking this positive charge lies on this carbon atom and this carbon atom form two bonds and moving to forward AlCl3 minus is used to remove this hydrogen from the benzene and this bond shifted to the benzene and again we get aromatic benzene ring and form the benzaldehyde and we get the benzaldehyde in the Gattermann reaction. Now, if we talk about application, this reaction is basically used to introduce aldehyde groups on benzene ring. It is used in the industrial manufactures of benzaldehyde. A mixture of hydrogen chloride and carbon monoxide is passed through benzene using a leaving acid such as aluminum chloride as a catalyst. That's all from my side. Thank you.